What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page with a large circle for the eye. So we're going to start right in the middle at the very top. And work our way around towards the bottom and back up towards the top. Let's trace that circle along the inside for the inside edge of the frame. Now along the top, we're going to add a curve for the eyelid. We're going to go up and then back down. Let's go back to the center and draw a smaller circle underneath the eyelid. Going all the way around and then up. And draw a smaller circle in the center. And we'll fill the pupil in black. Now we're going to add those two hinges along the side. So we're going to start on the top left, going out, straight down and back in. Now I take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to start by lining that up, come down and in, and we'll separate that hinge in half. Now we're going to leave a gap just underneath the eye and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start on the left, bend this down, and then up. Let's round out the mouth, come down at an angle towards the bottom. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. Go up, down towards the right, and then round that out. Now along the top, we're going to add a curve from left to right, coming down and up across the edge of the teeth. On the sides, draw a straight angled line, and we'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Let's separate the top row of teeth, starting in the middle with a straight line, leave a large gap, and a couple more lines going out. Let's offset the bottom row of teeth, again starting in the middle. Now on the left, step in, add one more line on the end. Now that we've drawn the face, we want to draw the top half of the head. For the bottom corner of the mouth, let's step all the way out. We're going to draw a half circle, but we're going to add these little bumps going all the way around. Go in towards the middle, above the eye, go all the way around, and then down on the right. Now we're going to add that strap. On the top corner of the hinge, step down, draw a straight line going out, line it up on the right. From the bottom corner, step up, and go straight out. Now I want to bring that strap going across the body. Let's start on the left, and goes down, and then in. Let's flatten off the end of the strap. And I want to go back up and out towards the top. Flatten off the end with a straight line. Let's add two small buttons on either side. And then in between the strap, we're going to add a curve, coming down and up. Now let's bring the arms coming down the side. From the strap, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then we want to layer the gloves on top. So we're going to step out, bend this in, and then down. From the inside, step up, curve the arm going up and back in. From the inside of the cuff, draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the thumb. Add a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add two large fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb, come down, and then up around the bracket, step down, add the second finger, and just pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Connect the wrist to the outside of the glove with a straight line. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's tuck the lower half of the body underneath the arms. So we're going to start on the left side, Curve the body, coming down, go across, and then back up. In the center, draw a straight line to separate the legs, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then down towards the heel. And then from the top of the foot, angle the legs going up and then out. Above the top of the foot, add a curve to the edge of the boot. I'm also going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. And then we'll go back and finish off the pants. Underneath the strap, go straight down and then bend that out. On the side, draw another straight line going out. Let's move to the center and add the pocket. Start with a straight line, and we'll draw a half circle across the bottom. Let's add that logo in the center. Start with a circle, and then we'll draw the outside of an M, going up from the sides, coming in towards the middle. I want to trace that along the inside, and then we'll fill in the outside of the M. Now to finish off our drawing, we want to add some cracks across the head and arms. Now you want to radiate this out from the eye and coming in from the side. So let's start from the top left side. Just going to add these little lines going in random directions. Just kind of going out from the eye and then across the bottom. We can also branch some of these out. And I want to add some cracks from the side of the head coming in. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our job, Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.